Why is Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions the nation's fastest growing autoclave company? StatumUSA.com focuses solely on sales, service, repair, and parts orders for autoclaves from the leading manufacturers and nothing else. We are the premier autoclave company in the entire country with double-digit growth year over year and with good reason. We focus on quality and no one beats our passion for autoclaves. Sales. We offer brand new autoclaves from the leading manufacturers as well as refurbished autoclaves as we ensure we have a price point that fits every kind of budget. We also offer the widest array of warranties in the industry and boast 1, 2, 5, and even lifetime warranties on both new and refurbished autoclaves. Our warranties include parts and labor. Service. At StatumUSA.com, we elevate service to a whole new level. We offer free technical support to anyone. Yes, you heard that right, anyone. We also offer a free preventative maintenance program where one of our highly trained customer support specialists will work with you to determine a proper preventative maintenance schedule for all of your autoclaves. We also have free self-help videos on our website that can walk you through installation to save on a service call when it's not needed. Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions offers in-house financing options. No need for banks or credit checks. Additionally, we offer a national lease-to-own autoclave program and a national loaner program where you pay a one-time fee while we repair your unit as opposed to the industry standard, a weekly charge. We are so flexible. We also buy back your old autoclave to help save you money on the purchase of a new or refurbished one, and we buy them in any condition. Repairs. StatumUSA.com has multiple locations with plenty more on the way and boasts the fastest turnaround times in the industry. 2 to 3 business days from the time it arrives at one of our locations until the time you receive an estimate. Get this, our estimates are even free. We have highly trained technicians that do nothing but work on autoclaves all day, every day with no other focus. Worried about shipping? Don't be. We handle everything. We will send you an empty manufacturer's box as needed with a prepaid label to get your sick autoclave to us. We also utilize our shipping account to ensure you're getting the best shipping rates on the market today. Quality is what we provide each and every time we have your autoclave. Parts. Unlike other companies that rely on drop shipping, StatumUSA.com actually stocks all of the OEM parts you need on site so you know when you order from Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, you're getting your items quickly and efficiently. Last, but certainly not least, every single item on StatumUSA.com ships for free. No gimmicks and no bull. It's free, 24/7, 365, and we even offer after-hours phone support to ensure you can order anytime, any place, and anywhere. StatumUSA.com takes pride in knowing we provide you, our customer, the most robust front-to-back autoclave program in the country. When you think of autoclaves, remember Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions as we are your one-stop shop for sales, service, parts, and repair.